My name is Francis Adrian. I've been a digital marketer for more than 4 years now. I consider myself as a full stack digital marketer, or some may call it digital marketing generalist. So I do have experience in all facets of digital marketing, from work with thousands of influencers in the health and wellness space. I am an email marketer who's generated thousands of dollars for my clients as well. We've conducted successful ad campaigns for clients, particularly in the e-commerce space. I'm a social media manager. I handle analytics, optimization, and everything in digital marketing. So in terms of industries that I've supported, majority are from the e-commerce and health and wellness space. So in health and wellness space, I've worked with an agency before, helping mental health practitioners, organizations in Arkansas reach the clients they're basically after. And these are the normal people who needs the mental health services that they offer. I also had clients before who's a yoga practitioner, Chinese herbal practitioner, and all sorts of healing and transformational niche. So that's for the one bulk of industry that I've worked with. The next one is e-commerce. So I've worked as their influencer marketing head, where I help facilitate the end-to-end process of influencer marketing, from sourcing, negotiation. As a marketing manager, usually check each campaign on a day-to-day basis, and you have to know where you're at. So you have to make sure that you're on point when it comes to deadlines. I basically check each and every task. I sweep our project management tool, making sure that everything gets updated on a day-to-day basis, coordinating things with email marketers, with ads, how we can help them, what assets are needed, and all sorts of stuff. So from end to end, from preparation stage, launching, post-event, I handle all of those on a day-to-day basis. Another is monitoring analytics. So as much as possible, we wanted to make sure that we optimize for our goals. Like, for example, our goal is to land more sales. And we noticed that first day of launching the campaign, there are not a lot of sales. So we're going to check the opt-in pages, the sales pages, which ones we can improve. If there are any inconsistencies when it comes to the messaging, because that has to be congruent from the ads to the opt-in page to the checkout page. It needs to communicate the same thing. What we use currently is Asana, and that's my personal favorite as well, primarily because it's user-friendly. There are lots of integrations available. And one thing that I really like is the simplicity and notification system of that platform, that you won't encounter any delays with people catching up on how to use that project management tool. The most recent campaign I did for a client, particularly in the transformational coaching space, where we've generated 50,000 in revenue for only 10 days of marketing. So I create a marketing brief, I coordinate with copywriters, CEO on the angle that we need to create, and I make sure that before it gets cascaded to our team, the production team, that I had their buy-in, that will be the angle that we're going to use. In terms of marketing strategy, depends on the audit that I'll make. So I'm going to do an audit on their website. I'm going to do an audit on their social media channels, the funnels, pricing. Most importantly, I ask them about their goal. If their goal is to be known, to have a brand awareness campaign, then that will be my main goal in creating the strategy. If it's a conversion campaign, they need money, then I'm going to check the pipelines. How are we funneling the people from ads to the checkout pages? So I myself have undergone a rigorous process in terms of application, where it lasted for more than a month. I can make sure that by second interview, you guys have already shortlisted a couple of candidates that best fit the client. I am confident that a VA master can deliver